118th Kanji for JLPT. Basically JLPT test for N4. This option, the meaning of this kanji is that basically outside or out or foreign. That means out of Japan. That means foreign. So the pronunciation of this kanji, here is soto, 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 and sometimes gai. Soto and gai. Here is a two pronunciation of this kanji, soto and gai. So here the stroke of this kanji, first here is two kanji basically, 1 and 2. So first one is the first. So first this one, soto, angle, this one, letter, vertical one and inclined one. So soto. Again the stroke of this kanji, first, second and third. Here fourth and fifth. Here basically the level of the bottom almost similar level. So here if I would like to practice, so here soto, soto, this is soto. So the word of this kanji in soto, that means outside. The meaning of the soto, the kanji of this one, just this one, soto, that means outside. Gai, we know gai koku, gai koku, gai koku. So we know the kanji of gai, just we are learning. Soto, this is another one is gai. We know the koku goku, that means a country. So the country's kanji like this. The country's kanji. Here the clothes. So gai koku, gai koku, that means foreign country, foreign country, gai koku, country, gai koku, foreign country. Gai koku jin, if we would like to join more additional one, gai koku jin, that means foreigner. Gai koku jin, another kanji, jin, this one, foreigner, gai koku jin. Only gai koku, foreigner or foreign country, gai koku jin, foreigner as a person. Another one is kai gai, abroad, kai gai, this one, abroad, kai gai, kai gai, this one is abroad, kai gai, abroad. So here is the one sentence, the kanji. Here is two kanji in the one sentence. So soto ni demasho, please go out here. Soto, soto ni, so soto ni demasho, de ma sho. Long sound because here is u. So demasho. De ma sho. Soto ni demasho. Please exit here. Soto ni demasho.